Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to perform the fourth experiment of electrical measurement and instrumentation lab. And the name of experiment is measurement of inductance, capacitance, resistance and frequency using the Q meter. Now what is the Q meter? Now Q meter is an instrument which is used to measure the quality of any component that we are inserting inside this Q meter to measure its value. Not the precision value or the accuracy value of the Q meter is about plus minus 0.25%, and it is used to measure the exact reading, the calculative reading for the inductance, capacitance, resistance and frequency. It can measure, we just need to insert the values, we just need to insert the component for the positive terminal of the Q meter, the positive terminal of Q meter, and the negative to the negative terminal of your component. And we just get the reading after using this. So in same way we can measure the capacitance also, which is used to measure is the passive component, and we can measure its value, that is 100 microfarad, 10 microfarad, 9 microfarad, 8 microfarad, whatever the value of capacitance is, and we can about, not exact value we'll get it, but we'll get it precise value. It would be somewhat same as that given, as that printed on that specific component. Similarly, resistance, as we all know that resistance have 4 lines of coding. It may be yellow, it may be green, it may be brown, gold or silver. And firstly we'll just calculate that reading with the help of the color coding scheme of resistance, or we can measure it by using the multimeter, and then we will verify it using the Q meter. So that is the basic steps for measurement of resistance, capacitance and inductance. So let's start with on the kit now. Now class, this is your LCR meter. You can see it here. We can see there is written LCR Q meter. LCR Q meter is measurement. L stands for inductance, C stands for capacitance, R stands for resistance, and Q meter is a measurement of quality meter. Now this is the resistance which I have inserted over here. You can see it. This is a positive terminal. This is a negative terminal. We just need to push it back. This I will just show it. Just need to push it back and we'll get it out. This is the out terminal. Now we can just insert it like this and we can measure its value. It is not being inserted properly, so we'll just insert it. Now it is being inserted and we can see its value. The value of its resistance is near about 98.78 kilo ohms. You can see it over here. It is in the term of kilo ohms, and we can see it here. We are measuring the resistance. So resistance is being measured in kilo ohms. It is 98.78 kilo ohms. So you can verify it by using the multimeter also, and the exact reading can be seen on this LCR Q meter over here. Similarly, for that we can use it for the measurement of capacitance also. Now we'll just taken out this value of resistance. We will be forwarding the capacitance now. We will see the positive and negative leg of this is the capacitance which I am using. This is the capacitor which I am using. This is a 100 microfarad capacitor. You can see the value over here, 25 volt 100 microfarad. And I can see over here this is a positive and negative leg. So I will insert the positive leg, it is a longer leg, and negative leg like this. Positive leg to the positive terminal like this. Yes, this is inserted. Now similarly I will insert it for the negative leg also. I will just push it back and just insert this into the negative part. And it is not inserted yet. I'll just insert it like this. It is being inserted now, so it is near about coming out to be, this is in terms of your, this is showing in kilo ohms yet, so we'll just insert it for the capacitance now. This is in microfarad, so it is near about 88.76 or 88.75. This is in terms of microfarad. Here I have pressed the term of L and C. This is, you can see I have pressed this button for L and C. L and C means I have just inserted the value for measurement of inductance and capacitance. I have pressed this button, and after pressing this you can see we have processed on this microfarad. Now this value is being shown for the process of microfarad. It is near about 89 microfarads, and theoretical value of this is 100 microfarad. So it is near about a precision of 10 to 12%, which is being shown. So for 100 microfarad, it is showing about 89 microfarads. Similarly, in the previous experiment, we have seen for the value of CRO also, which was shown on CRO screen using the frequency meters. And this is the values for the inductance and capacitance. Thank you so much for patient listening, class.